Now if you're not into things like this and you think this is too much, please, this video is not for you. You can definitely click out. This tip is for my queens that are interested in brightening their skin. So yeah, let us get on ahead with the video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love for you to join the family. And hey, my returning subscriber, how are you doing today? So happy to have you, of course. You guys know I love to experiment and share my results with you. And when it comes to skin brightening, I stopped at nothing to plug you guys with the best tips. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience brightening my skin with these two vitamin C lotions. So here I have with me the Medix 5.5 vitamin C plus turmeric lotion, and also the Garnier Bright Complete Brightening Moisturizing Serum Milk UV. And these two lotions are not new on this channel. I've definitely spoken about them before. But now let me tell you how I use these two lotions and my experience with them. Now the Medix 5.5 lotion is a lightweight lotion, but not too lightweight compared to the Garnier Bright Complete lotion. The Garnier one has a more runny consistency than the Medix 5.5 one. Now the Medix 5.5 contains vitamin C, turmeric, vitamin E, ginger, ginseng, ferulic acid, and also retinol. Now this has a broad range of skin nourishing ingredients, which is why it is one of my favorite lotions ever. Now the Garnier one contains 2 times lemon essence, which is a great brightening ingredient as well. Also contains niacinamide, which is also a brightening ingredient, but in a low percentage. Also contains vitamin E as well as glycerin. The Garnier one comes in a 400 ml bottle, while the Medix 5.5 one comes in a 444 ml bottle. Almost the same thing in size. For price, I got this one for about 10,000 naira. I'm going to put the dollar equivalent, and this one was about 6,000 naira, and I'm also going to put the dollar equivalent. Now why am I using these two lotions on my skin at the same time? I think the intention is pretty much obvious, which is to boost and fortify the skin brightening effect on my skin. Now how I use this lotion is that I go on first with the thicker consistency, which is the Medix 5.5 one. After I've used the Medix 5.5 one, I wait for about 15 minutes for the ingredients and of course the product to be properly absorbed into my skin before I go on ahead with the lighter weight one, which is the Bright Complete Garnier lotion. So now this goes first before this lightweight one goes onto my skin. Now why I also put the Garnier one after the Medix 5.5 one is that the Garnier one is a UV serum milk. This would mean that the Garnier one is fortified with some sort of UV protection. That is, it has some UV protecting properties in it, but not in a high percentage or not enough to protect your skin from the effect of the sun. Now this goes for my daytime routine. We know that vitamin C is a great antioxidant for daytime. Also, what I do notice with pairing these two consistencies together is that after I've used this one and this one absorbs into my skin, and then I go on ahead with the more runny consistency on my skin, what happens is that I notice that this one spreads a lot more even over my skin, and my skin stays a lot more moisturized because there is a first layer of a thicker lotion and a second layer of a lighter consistency lotion. Now, like I mentioned, the UV protection in the Garnier one of course is not enough, and we know that vitamin C is a great antioxidant for daytime for the skin and works a lot well with sunscreen. After I've used these two on my skin, I then fortify it with a sunscreen. It is important to use a sunscreen after you've tried this method if you want to see results. And we are not just boosting and fortifying the vitamin C potency by doubling the two products, we are also protecting our skin against the sun with a higher percentage of sunscreen that would actually do the job in protecting your skin. If you want to see results with this method, you would definitely need a sunscreen, and the sunscreen I have here with me is the Hatu Mugi sunscreen, and this is an Asian brand. This is SPF 50 plus PA+++++. So this is a great sunscreen for both face and body. I absolutely love this sunscreen. First, because it is a value pack. This comes in a 250 ml bottle, so it is a great size for face and body. You know that we hardly find sunscreens for body like that have a reasonable amount like this, and this is how I pair these products together on my skin. So why did I start pairing these products on my skin? I wanted the double effect of using two different vitamin C lotions on my skin. And also my choice of lotions here is because of the weather at the moment. You guys know that I've shared a tip like this before, that I use the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Lotion with the Nivea Q10 Vitamin C Lotion, and that was also a great pair. But this one, because the weather is so hot, I had to go for 2 lotions that are lightweight, so that by the time I'm done moisturizing my skin will be well moisturized but not drenched in products, considering the weather as well. The sunscreen that I pair with this product is also a UV milky gel. It is very lightweight as well on the skin. So all of these products are lightweight products, moisturize my skin very well, but the products combined together does not leave my skin drenched and sticky. Now let me share the results that I got with using these products like this on my skin. Like I mentioned earlier, I've tried using 2 other vitamin C lotions before, and I shared my experience here with you. And what happened was that my skin was beginning to feel dull recently because I was out under the sun a lot, and sometimes obviously you cannot reapply your sunscreen on your body when you're out there in the sun, but you could reapply on your face. So the skin on my body was sort of looking and feeling dull, and that was what turned my attention back to this method, and I decided to try with 2 lightweight lotions since the weather is currently hot. So after the first 1 week of using these products, I did not see any significant change on my skin. My skin was almost still looking the same, but of course I was not discouraged because I understand skincare. I understand that you have to be consistent with your products for at least 1 to 2 months before you can fully decide that a product did not work for your skin. Now when it got to the second week of using this method on my skin, I started seeing the skin brightening effect. My skin started glowing up more. How I notice and how I check myself regularly with this method is usually when I wake up in the morning and I open my blinds. I compare my skin at that moment with my skin previously, and like I said, in the second week I started seeing significant change with using this method. By the time we got to the 3rd week, the change had become a lot more significant. I was really seeing the results on my skin. By the 4th week, I had already started getting questions like, oh, what are you using on your skin? Your skin is looking so nice. And I have been using this now for about 2 months, and I can tell you that there is a huge difference on my skin. I would see if I can find a picture that I can put to show you before and after of how my skin looks, but this has greatly helped in making my skin bright and just picking up my skin. Now these are not bleaching products, these are not lightening products, but they will brighten your skin, and that is what we absolutely love, right? So yeah, my overall experience with this is definitely a thumbs up. Would I be trying this again if I feel like my skin is looking dull? Of course, you already know the answer. I'm definitely going to. And yeah, I'm excited to share this with you because if you're like me and you're trying to just brighten your skin, then this is a good route to take and you will absolutely love the result on your skin. That's it for this video today. If you're still watching by now and you're not subscribed, please, what are you doing? Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. I would very much appreciate that. Let me know in the comment section if you've been trying this method out. I'll absolutely love to know, or if you've tried something like this, or if you've tried even the previous one that I shared with you guys on this channel. Let me know in the comment section because I'll definitely be there. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and as usual, I wish you a beautiful, perfect and luscious skin, and I'll see you guys in my next one.